Okay, so our lesson for today is multiplication of decimal. So may prepare ako ditong question. So an athlete walks at rate of 56 and 75 hundredths meters per minute. How far can he walks in 3 and 25 hundredths minute? So, sinulat ko na siya. So, ito yung ating equation. So, since multiplication of decimals tayo, so aalamin natin how to multiply a decimal. So, in multiplying decimal, so it is similar to multiply whole numbers. So, pareho lang sila, minumultiply natin. But, yung decimal point is hindi natin siya kagad ina-align sa kanyang pwesto. So, for example, so meron tayo ditong ito. So, isusulat ko lang siya vertically. So, 56.75 multiply by 3.25. Okay. So, kung mapapansin nyo, hindi sila naka-align or kahit anong pwesto nila. But, the process in this case, in multiplication, is kung paano yung pag-process natin or kung paano tayo nagmumultiply. So, pag nagmumultiply tayo, di ba inuuna natin yung ones na place value or yung ones place. So, 5 times 5, so ito yung nauna. So, 5 times 5, we have here 25. Carry 2. 5 times 7, we have 35 plus 2 is equals to 37. Then, carry 3. 5 times 6 is equals to 30 plus 3 is equals to 33. Then, carry 3. 5 times 5 is equals to 25 plus 3 is equals to 28. So next, 2 times 5 is equals to 10. Carry 1. 2 times 7 is 14 plus 1 is equals to 15. Carry 1. 2 times 6 is equals to 12 plus 1 is equals to 13. Carry 1. 2 times 5 is equals to 10 plus 1 is equals to 11. So, yon. And then last, 3 times 5 is equals to 15. Carry 1. 3 times 7, 3 times 7 is equals to 21 plus 1 is equals to 22. And 3 times 6, okay, kulang pa tayo ng carry. So, yun, kulang ng carry. So, 3 times 6 is equals to 18 plus 2 is equals to 20. Carry 2. 3 times 5 is 15 plus 2 is 17. So, para lang tayo nagmumultiply rather ng whole numbers. So, i-add na natin yung ating partial product. So, bring down 5. 7 plus 0 is 7. 3 plus 5 is 8. Plus 5 is 13. Carry 1. 8 plus 3 is equals to 11 plus 2. 13 plus 1 is 14. Carry 1. 2 plus 1 is equals to 3 plus 1 is equals to 4. 1 plus 7 is 8. And then, bring down 1. Okay, so, ang tanong dito, saan mapupunta ngayon si decimal point? Okay, so ang gagawin lang, so, since ito ang ating decimal point, unahin natin dito sa baba. So, bilangin lang natin, 1, 2. Then, ito rin, 1 and 2. So, 2 plus 2 is equals to 4. So, magbibilang tayo dito, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, ilalagay natin yung ating decimal point. So, yun. Magbibigay pa ako ng marami pang example regarding in multiplication of decimals. Okay, so let's have another example. So, meron naman tayo ditong 4 and 24 hundredths multiplied by 3 and 6 tenths. So, same process. Magmumultiply lang tayo, parang nagmumultiply ng whole number. So, 6 times 4 is equals to 24. Carry 2. 6 times 2 is equals to 12 plus 2 is 14. Carry 1. 6 times 4 is 24 plus 1 is 25. Then 3 times 4 is equals to 12. Carry 1. 3 times 2 is equals to 6 plus 1 is 7. 3 times 4 is equals to 12. So, i-add lang natin yung ating partial product. So, bring down 4. 4 plus 2 is equals to 6. 5 plus 7 is equals to 12. Carry 1. So, 2 plus 2 equals to 4 plus 1 is 5. And then, bring down 1. Okay. So, yung decimal point natin is bibilangin lang natin. So, 1, 2, 3. So, tatlo. So, 1, 2, 3. So, lagay tayo dito ng decimal point. So, yun nun. So, ganun lang kasimple mag-multiply ng decimals. Okay, so let's have another example. So, in this case, so makikita nyo whole numbers naman yung nandito. So, yung ating multiplicand. So, the same process din, which is i-multiply lang natin siya like the normal na ginagawa natin. So, 6 times 8. So, 6 times 8 is equals to 48. So, 48. So, lagay natin dito 8. Carry 4. So, 6 times 4 is equals to 24. Plus 4 is equals to 28. So, carry 2. So, 6 times 3 is equals to 18. Plus 2 is equals to 20. And then, 0 times 8 is equals to 0. 0 times 4, 0. 0 times 3 is equals to 0. So, any number multiplied by 0 is equals to 0. So, yon 0, 0, 0. So, yan. So, i-add lang natin yung ating partial product. So, bring down 8. 8 plus 0 is equals to 8. 0, bring down 2, and 0. So, now, so paano natin gagawin? Or paano ulit yung ating decimal? So, simply, bibilangin lang natin kung ilan siya. So, 1 and 2. So, 2. So, 1, 2. So, yan. So, pwede natin siyang masulat din ng 20 and 88 hundredths. Since 0 yung ating nandito. Or, pwede na natin siyang hindi maisulat. So, yan. Okay, so last example. So, meron tayo ditong 563 multiplied by 2 and 5 hundredths. So, multiply lang natin siya like yung normal. So, 5 times 3, we have here 15. Carry 1. So, 5 times 6 is equals to 30 plus 1 is equals to 31. Carry 3. 5 times 5 is equals to 25 plus 3 is equals to 28. So, 28. Then, 0 times 3 is equals to 0. 0 times 6 is equals to 0. And 0 times 5 is equals to 0. So, 2 times 3 is equals to 6. 2 times 6 is equals to 12. So, carry 1. 2 times 5 is 10 plus 1 is equals to 11. Yan. So, i-add lang natin yung ating partial product. So, bring down 5. 1 plus 0 is 1. 8 plus 6 is equals to 14. Carry 1. So, 2 plus 2 is equals to 4 plus 1 is equals to 5. Then, bring down 1 and bring down 1. Okay. So, bibilangin lang natin yung decimal point. Yung numbers sa decimal point. So, 1 and 2. So, 1, 2. So, yun. Lagyan natin si decimal point. So, yun lang. Multiplication of decimals. So, yun lang yung mga dapat nyong tandaan. So, yung pagsusulat ng decimal point is kung ilan yung sum na makukuha natin or mabibilang natin. So, yun lang. Grade 6.